Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to add apps in Apple CarPlay. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. So guys, it's pretty easy and basic for you. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply have to launch the settings app and just simply have to search for Apple CarPlay. So let me search for a CarPlay option. So guys, you can find the CarPlay here. So just simply have to go there and just simply have to make sure that if you have connected with any car. So let me tell you that in iOS 18 guys, you can easily use the apps or add the apps in CarPlay. First you have to connect with the car, so you can find the available cars list from here near to you. So just simply have to connect with the car. So after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go back and just simply have to go to the Apple CarPlay. So let me search for the Apple CarPlay guys. When you search for this guys, you can find the apps here that you can use with the CarPlay, or you can also see some related apps here as well. So you can use the Google Maps or Apple Music, or you can also use some of the apps. You can also use these things. You can also use the Spotify as well. So guys, you have to go to the CarPlay and just simply have to connect with the car, and after that guys, your apps automatically will be added, or you can use these apps. You can use the Spotify app, Google Maps, or Apple Music as well. Okay guys, so guys, when you are connected with Apple CarPlay guys, you can find the Spotify option as well. So just simply have to connect your apps with Apple CarPlay through connecting your device with Apple CarPlay. So this is the simple step guys. First you have to connect your device with Apple CarPlay, and then you can use the Spotify as well in your CarPlay. So that's pretty much for today's video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.